What if every important decision could be guided by accurate location-based intelligence? Cities, infrastructure, and natural resources generate massive amounts of data every day. But without geographic context, this data remains disconnected and underutilized. Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, transform raw data into meaningful spatial insights that help governments, businesses, and planners make smarter decisions. Using advanced technologies such as drone surveys, LiDAR, satellite imagery, and digital twin models, GIS delivers high-accuracy, real-time geospatial solutions. GIS integrates 2D and 3D mapping, analytics, and interactive dashboards to visualize complex information in a clear and actionable way. From smart cities and property tax systems to water management, infrastructure planning, and disaster risk assessment, GIS supports sustainable and data-driven development. With GIS, organizations achieve better accuracy, improved efficiency, faster execution, and complete transparency in decision-making. GIS is not just a technology of the future, it is the foundation of smarter planning today. Let's build a better world with GIS.